2015-16 Revolution Basketball. 8-box case, random teams number 8. Good luck, everybody. Let's get some galactic sauce up in here. Thanks, everybody, for joining. Box 1. Raul Neto /75, rookie blue. Not sure what they call these. I don't know the names of all the specific backgrounds, but a blue one /75, and Montrezl Harrell rookie. LeBron James. The last card of the pack is always the parallel, just so the rest are all going to be base. You might get an insert, I'll show you, but make sure and make note of the last card of the pack. So that Montrezl Harrell rookie and the LeBron. That spiral background, those are both parallels. D Wade in here. New Wave Nurkic and D Wade is the special card. However, you guys get every single card from the break, regardless. Justice Winslow, special rookie. Numbered at a 100, Blake Griffin blue. The Clippers, NASCAR Newman, and Jarrell Martin special rook. TJ Warren, Suns. New Wave Julius Randle, Jerry Grant rookie special Knicks. And Dr. J Icons 76. Box 2. New Wave Nurkic again. Brandon Dawson, rookie for the Clippers. Klay Thompson, Warriors. Showstoppers, that's the 1 per case insert right there. Kevin Durant. Tunda. Gary Harris special. Oklahoma City J-Rod 3228. There's a Curry. Come on, Galactic. Not Galactic. Steph Curry, though. Put that one in the sleeve. Special card. Warriors, Junior CD2. Levine, New Wave. Anthony Brown, rookie. Lakers. Rookie Revolution, Jahlil Okafor, Sixers. Showstoppers, number to 100. Nice. Kyrie Irving, Cavaliers. NASCAR Newman. TJ McConnell, rookie. Sixers. And John Jenkins, Dallas Mavericks. Hakeem Olajuwon Icons. Rockets. Boban Marjanovic, rookie, blue for the Spurs. 1/1 to a hundo. Anthony Brown, Lakers. Miles Turner. Damian Lillard. Blazers. Sorry, slippery ones. Dennis Schroeder, New Wave, and another Lillard. You can see the difference maybe in the background. The one on the right's got squares, the one on the left's got swirlies in the hologram part. Build on the rainbow of Lillard. Rookie Revolution, Jahlil Okafor again. Devin Booker out of 25. That's a nice one there. 22 out of 25. Phoenix Suns, Lucky Tan Dragon. And Bobby Portis. George Hill, Pacers. Bradley Beal and Harrison, Aaron Harrison, rookie. Hornets. No auto yet. 2 autos per 8-box case. No Galactic. Those are not guaranteed. We seem to pull one almost every time. Kenneth Faried, Nuggets. It's your first auto. Boom! Porzingis. There you go. Congratulations, Bookie and the Knicks. Kristaps Porzingis. Very nice. Stanley Johnson, special rookie. Harrison Barnes. Otto Porter and Terrence Jones, Rocket special. Shaq icons on the Magic. D'Angelo on the back of this one. Jeff Teague, number to 100, blue. Atlanta Hawks. G-Man TD2 and D'Angelo Russell. Rookie Revolution, Mario Hezonja, Magic. New Wave, we got Sam Decker, Rockets. Alright, box 5. Numbered out of 100, go Aztecs, Kawhi Leonard. Nice one there, 1-1 in the Spurs. Delon Wright, Raptors rookie. George Hill again, Pacers. Mirotic, Avery Bradley. Jonathan Simmons, special rookie Spurs. And, Galactic. Here it is, we did get one. DeMarcus Cousins, Galactic. For the Kings. The Kings belong to EDC 777. Elliott, congrats. Galactics are roughly 250 packs or so, I'm not sure. There you go. RJ Hunter, Celtics. Walt Frazier, icons for the Knicks. Marcus Smart, Hezonja, Magic. And Avery Bradley, Celtics. Box 6. Tony Parker. Russell Westbrook. Larry Nance Jr., Lakers rookie. Scott Peterson, great. Other auto is Nemanja Bjelica, T-Wolves rookie. For Brendan Bjelica. Maybe we'll get a third rookie, get lucky. Anthony Brown, Lakers rookie. Karl Anthony Towns, first rookie of him in the break. Terry Rozier, rookie revolution. Boston. Rondae Hollis Jefferson, Nets rookie. Al Horford. Nice. Kawhi Leonard New Wave Blue to 100. Second Kawhi out of 100 in the break. Or 1-1 in the Spurs. And Rudy Gobert, Jazz. Last two boxes, guys. Got something special here. Number to 75, Mirotic. Chicago Bulls. Brody. Kevin Garnett, Timberwolves. Jerian Grant, rookie revolution for the Knicks. Rashad Vaughn, Bucks, rookie. Evan Turner, Celtics. Numbered out of 100, Miles Turner, rookie revolution blue for the Pacers. Nice one there, left to 10. Justin Anderson, Mavericks. Magic Johnson, Icons. Lakers. Justice Winslow. Devin Booker, rookie. Avery Bradley. Alright, last box. See if we can get a bonus auto or second galactic super lucky style. Number to 75, Rashawn Holmes. And the regular rookie 76ers. J-Rod 3228. Rashawn Holmes again. Bob Cousy, Icons. Boston Celtics. New Wave, Carter Williams. Hazanja, Magic. Jimmy Butler, Bose. Nerlens Noel, Kevin Love. Jordan Clarkson, New Wave. Walter Tavares, rookie. Last pack. Rookie Revolution, Devin Booker. I'll give you a recap of all the numbered to 100 or less hits, as well as the couple autos from the Galactic. So everything in here is numbered to 100 or less. I think we got a couple to 75 and like 1 to 25. Rashawn Holmes, that one is 75, by the way. Miles Turner, Mirotic, 75. Kawhi Leonard, a hundo. There's a Towns, our only Towns rookie of the case. Kawhi to 100 again. Jeff Teague. Devin Booker's out of 25. Nice one there. Marjanovic. Showstoppers do 100. Kyrie. Nice one there. Steph Curry special. Showstopper Durant. Griffin to 100. And Raul Neto to 100. We got one Galactic of Boogie. DeMarcus Cousins. Galactic parallel. Two autographs. Bjelica. T-Wolves rookie auto. And Porzingis with an X. Thanks again, guys, for joining. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.